Hi, this is Komal again with EC Info Solutions. Today we're going to talk about how AI for manufacturing works and also about what ERP alone can't do. For this conversations, I have Mrs. Shreyasi Bhalera with us, who is the co-founder at EC Info Solutions. So Shreyasi, a lot of manufacturing CEOs ask the same question. We already run SAP, Oracle, Dynamics, and these ERPs now come with AI assistants. So do we actually need anything more? So what do you have to say about this?
Yeah, I think it's a reasonable question. ERP-embedded AI is great, but it mostly works inside the ERP database. It can summarize reports, predict basic inventory needs, automate workflows, helpful, very. But transformative, maybe not. Because real manufacturing intelligence also lives outside the ERP.
Okay, so meaning ERP doesn't have the full picture?
Right. ERP cannot automatically understand machine telemetry, PLC signals, QC images, factory floor video, shift reports, operator notes, the supplier quality issues or maintenance logs, warranty claims, thermal camera hotspots, vibration anomalies. ERP only sees structured transactions. And manufacturing runs on unstructured and heterogeneous data as well. AI is what stitches all of this together.
So can you give me an example?
Sure. Say you ingest a factory floor CCTV video using Gemini 3 and you combine it with vibration and temperature logs and ask, did we miss early signs of the bearing failure last week? The AI would be able to analyze frames, match them with telemetry, and pinpoint the exact moment patterns changed.
Wow, that sounds amazing. There's another problem many manufacturers face, that is talent shortage. Skilled workers are hard to find and often hard to train quickly. Can AI help there too?
Yes, in fact, one of the key shifts in manufacturing, thanks to AI, is how it helps bridge the digital skills gap. AI-powered multimodal assistive tools combining text, video, audio, sensor data, and manuals can accelerate training and empower your existing workforce, making training much faster and more scalable.
Explain that a little more. What does multimodal assistive tools mean in practice?
So imagine this, a new operator walks up to a machine and asks, how do I perform the routine checkup for machine A? In voice. The system immediately pulls up the standard operating procedure, shows a short training video or animation, or even plays a step-by-step audio guide based on historical, manual, sensor data, and best practices. So if the operator is unsure, they can ask for additional details, and the system retrieves annotated diagrams or maintenance logs or even recent sensor-based anomalies. Or say you want to create a training module for a new line. The same system can auto-generate training assets like videos and text and checklists based on your existing SOPs, historical fault logs, and compliance requirements. This kind of instant multimodal assistive training reduces learning time drastically. It improves consistency across shifts and helps onboard or upskill workers faster.
So all this sounds powerful, but this much data and complexity must pose serious security and integration challenges.
Yes, that's why for manufacturing, especially when you're using quality reports, operator notes, video footage, vendor data, you need a private LLM plus RAG plus multimodal pipeline and not use a public AI service. So the advantages would be that all the data, the videos, logs, manuals, sensor streams stay inside your cloud or on-premise environment. The RAG, the retrieval augmented generation model, ensures answers come from your actual data, no hallucinations, and multimodal embeddings let the system reason across different data types. So text, image, sensor data, video. And access can be role-based with audit logs, compliance tracking, and controlled sharing. Training and useful insights become available to any operator, reducing the dependency on a few senior experts.
So if you put all this together, operations, training, maintenance, quality control, what kind of strategic benefit does a CEO see here?
It could be a big shift, right? You get more resilient operations. You can anticipate disruptions rather than just react. There is faster knowledge transfer, workforce scaling, there's less dependency on legacy experts, better quality consistency, less waste, higher throughput, faster onboarding for new workers, which saves time and training costs. There's improved agility, you can pivot quickly when demand or supply changes. There will be stronger compliance and audit readiness, since every process and manual execution can be tracked and traced. In short, you're not just optimizing, you're future proofing. So in modern manufacturing, data comes from machines, sensors, logs, and people. AI is what turns that data into clarity, knowledge, and capability. Use it not just for efficiency, but to build a smarter, more resilient workforce and factory.